Hello guys, welcome to Intraday Spikes Traveler. This is Udayanan and today we are going to discuss about the things which is posted on 7th of April. I mean the stocks which I have posted for intraday is McDowell and ICICI GI on 7th of April trade. So that day we gave a call that on ICICI GI. When you see here ICICI GI at 9:44 a.m. I gave a buy above at 1382 with a stop loss and targets. We'll discuss in detail about this. So this is on 7th of April trade. Okay. So the left hand side I placed a screenshot which I posted in my Telegram channel, which I said that buy above 1382. So when you see here 1382, it's a yellow line which I marked. It has been marked at the 1382.11 which I have marked. It's a buy above. So on 7th of April the second candle has been triggered. When you see here the second candle has been triggered in 15 minutes candle. So once it got triggered, in the next 4 candles we reached the target. See how the spike went, and the target is, the second target we have kept it as 1390. See how well it took support over there, and it keeps moving. So this is all about our strategy. Our strategy is mainly focus on spikes, the spikes kind of candles only. We don't need to wait for the whole day to book the profit. This is how our strategy lies. So guys, this is the stocks which has been filtered for 11th of April, Monday. Havels, Bsoft and IGL. These are the stocks has been kept for 11th April trade intraday. Thank you guys.